What's up, internet marketer? Today I'm going to show you start to finish how to get free quality traffic from Pinterest. And this is without paying for ads. This is without off-page SEO or much work. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more video tutorials like this one. Also, wait until the end. Watch this whole video tutorial to get a free pin keyword tool. Free POD mini course, that's print on demand by the way, pod, and some free templates to help you with these methods and also some other resources that I'll be talking about in this video. Okay, first thing you want to do before creating any type of content, be it a video, a post, or in this case a Pinterest pin, you want to find out the keywords you want to use. I always use my trusty little pin keyword finder. I have more information about this below. You can get this for free. It's a piece of software. But if you don't want to get it, if you want to do it by yourself, I'm going to show you a different way. I'm going to show you a secret hidden Pinterest keyword tool within Pinterest. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go to the ads section up here. This is the baby shower market. You can do this in any market you want, any niche you want. You want to go to create an ad. Okay, after you do that, give it a second to load. Okay, after you do that, cancel. After you do that, you want to scroll down and click continue, and then go scroll down a little bit more past add interest and go to keywords and just type in your keyword right here. So woodland baby shower. Okay, why am I typing in this keyword? Because the product I want to promote on Pinterest is this woodland baby shower bingo game I have that I sell for $8. This is what it's called, a printable. That means my end user, my customer, is gonna buy this and print it out at home. I don't ship anything, I don't deliver anything. It's a very good business model. Anyways, let's get back. I have more information about this below if you're interested. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So I want a nice long tail keyword. You can see the monthly search volume, 5 million plus, and the keyword is right here to the left. Okay, now rustic baby shower decorations doesn't really match up. Woodland baby shower theme, yes, it does match up with this, but it's kind of far off. As you can imagine, woodland baby shower theme, those people looking up that keyword, they're far from the end of the funnel. They're far from realizing they want a woodland baby shower bingo game. So I'm gonna put in woodland baby shower game, and we have woodland baby shower games. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna get this one, and actually I'm going to add it to my notepad here. Okay, it's already typed up in here. Actually, you can use the keyword tool. Let me show you how it works. And I put in woodland baby shower game. As you can see, it matches up. It produces the same result that this keyword tool does. Anyways, now that I have my keyword, I'm going to actually go back. Okay, go back. And I want to add my pin, but I'm going to show you how to create a video pin. Okay, a pin that will get traffic to your site. So you want to keep this open, the create pin section. I want to go to Canva. I'm going to click dimension, custom dimensions. Okay, and for the pin height, I've been using 1500 by 2000. Okay, that works best for me. Create a new design. I already have my pin templates here. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you a blank design. That's the cool thing about Canva is you can save your designs, find out which templates are working best for you, and just rework them for different posts, for different pieces of content. But I'm gonna show you a blank design so that you know how I create a pin from start to finish. Recently, I've been using video pins. Okay, video pins is what I've been using a lot. So I'm gonna put in here forest. I'm gonna add this. Oh, this is not loading for some reason. I'm gonna put in a color. Let me see. Let's go with. How about this one here? Okay, this is cool. I like this. Actually, that's fine the way it is. Then I'm gonna add an element. Go to elements. What you wanna write in here is square, because a square, with the square element, you can actually expand it and you know, to any type of, to not any shape you want. You can make it a rectangle, you can make it a square, you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, it's really cool little tool. Okay, a little cool little element. Okay, now I'm gonna change the text here. To get text, you go to text and you drop in whatever text you want. You can change the font. I'm telling you, Canva is one of the best free tools out there. I use them all the time. I'm gonna use this one, Hussar, whatever the hell. Okay, so I'm gonna put in woodland. Let's make this brown, brownish. Is that brown? There we go. Boom, woodland. I'm gonna copy this. Woodland baby shower. And I'm gonna change, actually, I'm gonna change the font to League Spartan. I'm gonna turn this, I'm gonna make this brown. And I know it's invisible now, but check this out. I'm going back to elements. I'm gonna put on a brush. Put on brush, and we have all these brush strokes. I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna expand on this brush stroke to the edges here. And I'm going to go to position, knock it backwards, and get my baby shower font. I'm sorry, my baby shower text to fit in there. I'm gonna go 88, maybe a little bit more. How about 85? Okay, that's cool. Woodland baby shower. And woodland baby shower, what's a good, of course it's bingo, so I'm gonna tell them what it is. Woodland baby shower game. So I'm gonna put in another text box. Actually, I'm gonna duplicate this. Where is it? Where is it? Copy button. Duplicate that. Bingo. I'm gonna increase the font size to, actually, let's go even more. Let's go 200. Boom, beautiful. Bingo. And then I'm gonna copy this again. Duplicate that. Color that white. And put in game. Exclamation, exclamation. Increase the font size to 144. Okay, I like that. Now in the middle here, this is really important, guys. You're gonna put in, this is gonna be a video pin, okay? Right now, as I'm creating this video, what's today's date? Let's find out. The 15th of May 2020. It's during the COVID pandemic, by the way. Anyways, during this time, Pinterest loves video, okay? Really important. So I'm gonna create a video, but don't worry, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to do any of that. How to create videos simply and easily. This is a really cool hack, really cool tip and trick you're about to learn. You go to elements and you put in stickers. Okay, like that. Okay, and then you have all these animated elements. Okay, I'm gonna put in fox. Let's see what pops up. Let's see what pops up for fox. Okay, this is not bad. I'm gonna put in this fox here, and this is a free fox I can use. Okay, this is definitely an eye-catching fox. Okay, I'm gonna put him right there. Now he's animated within my pin. Actually, I want to put some more elements in here. Let's put in what else is there? There's a fox. There's a deer. I'm sorry. That's incorrect. That's an incorrect spelling. Deer. Okay, there's no animated stickers for deer. Let's put in rabbit. There's one. I don't like it. Anyways, let's put in something that draws attention. I want to draw attention to this pin. Let's go with yeah. I like this yeah. I'm gonna turn it around a little bit. Oh, that's too much. Okay, I'm gonna shrink it down. Okay, oh no, that's the wrong one. I'm gonna move that back, put yeah over here. Bring back my bingo. And maybe expand a bit on that. Like that, that's not bad. And I'm going to, actually, I'm gonna add this little element here. This hashtag. And again, video pins are great because they really draw attention to your pin. Okay, very good. So I'm pretty much done with this pin. Now there's two things you need to do, really important. First thing, when you go to publish, you want to first download the image version, the PNG. Okay, I'm gonna go to video later. First, you want to go to PNG, click on the PNG, and click on the post you want to use. I'm going to use this one. Click done. Click download. So after I'm done downloading the PNG version, I'm going to go to the video and download the video version. It's a very small file. It's only 4 seconds. It's about a minute long. Click publish, click download, and download the video file. Okay, cool. Now that I have all of my elements, I want to scroll down and I want to click on the create a pin option. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my file here and I'm going to first grab my MP4. Okay, remember I had you download, the first one was a PNG. You're gonna add that to this little square here. Okay, because if you're gonna make a video, a Pinterest video, Pinterest wants both the image and video. Okay, after I added these two elements, I'm gonna add my SEO optimized title. Okay, as you know, my keyword, the keyword I'm aiming for is Woodland Baby Shower Games. So need Woodland Baby Shower Games. Check out Woodland Bingo. Okay, so I have the Woodland here, I have Woodland Baby Shower Games, and same thing with my description. I'm gonna copy my description, copy that, dump it in here. And let me read it out to you. There are many Woodland Baby Shower games, but Woodland Bingo is not only fun for your baby shower guests, but it also fits perfectly with your Woodland Baby Shower theme. Check it out and let me know what you think. Okay. Now my destination link, I'm going to use this link, of course, because I want the traffic to go here. I'm going to add that in there. Okay. And as for the tags, I'm going to put in baby shower games, baby shower, just baby shower as is. You shouldn't go too crazy. That's what I think. Cute baby animals, I'm gonna go with cute baby animals, and let me see if there's something else under baby shower. Baby shower. Oh, and there's a ton. Baby shower cake, favors, gifts, food. I'm gonna go with favors, okay? And that's it. I'm gonna choose my my board, which one it fits, which one it fits perfectly with. I'm gonna go with printable because that's what it is. Let me see if there's a printable. Printable baby shower. Very good. And I'll publish it. Okay? And that's pretty much it. Okay? That's how I get traffic. This is my main traffic source, Pinterest, for this type of online business model, printables, selling printables. This falls under the POD and KDP, not KDP per se, because I'm not selling this one on Amazon, but this falls under the print on demand type of product you can sell online. So that includes t-shirts, mugs, anything that the user, your customer, can get either shipped to them or printed out. Okay, So there you go. That's it. If you have any questions about this business model, how I get traffic, let me know. Let me know in the comment section, or check out my description down below for links and resources to my methods and my templates plus resources. Okay, be good. Take care. Bye bye.